To create a QR code for a website link, let's open a design. I would select the design I want to add a QR code to. And let's click on customize template. To add QR code, you are going to come to elements here and search for QR code. And let's go into our browser to copy the link of the website we want to add the QR code to. I'm copying the link to this site so they can come and view the product I want them to purchase from here. And I'll come back into my design and come to this QR code here and paste my QR code. Now you can customize your QR code if you click this drop down here to customize the color to blend with the color you're working on. So I'm going to click on generate code. You see my code has generated. If I want to blend it with the color of the design I'm already working on, what I'm going to do here is to go into the design I'm working on to understand the colors in my design. To do that, let's click on any element and go into colors, and you can see the color of your documents. You can make a mental note to know what color they are. For this one, this is 461E15. And for the background, we're going to select this one. Since that's what the shape here is selected, we're going to make a mental note of this color. So now let's go back into the QR code we generated and come to background color and make the background color. I'm going to enter that and come to the foreground color and type in the color we made a mental note of. You see it has chosen the color of this text, and we are going to click on update code. You see our code has beautifully updated. You can now direct people to quickly sign this QR code to visit the site you want them to visit.